What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Clout back at it again with another video for y'all. Man, today is December 12th, I believe. Let me see. No, today is December 13th, my bad. But yeah, as y'all seen on the last video, I had made a purchase on December 11th, I think. And it was for one puffer jacket. Like I said, I've been keeping y'all up to date with some sort of content and shit. So go watch that last video if you still not hip. And I also stated that I've been just every time I make money off a sale, off a flip or anything, I go straight to DHgate and make a purchase, whether it's for a little North Face puffer or a Canada Goose, however much bread I got. But I always put that shit right back in the DHgate and only save like 20 bucks for gas for meetups and shit like that. But I'm doing this so I can have constant shipments coming in and I don't have to wait. All my orders will come back to back to back to back. As you can see on screen, I got 9 items being shipped right now. And I got 5 awaiting a shipment. But yeah, these are the last 2 purchases I just made, and I made these early this morning, which was for and I also made, when I made that last video, I had made that purchase at like 11 p.m. at night, bro. So I made like 3 purchases in the past, not even, it's been like 25 hours, 25, 26 hours. But you can see on screen right now at the top, I got another North Face puffer, and then on the bottom I got another Canada Goose on the way. So that puts me at 7 of each of those items, and then I still got 2 more clears. My bad, I think I got 9 North Face puffers, 7 Canada Gooses, and 2 Montclairs. So I'm almost at 20 jackets. At least 10 of them shit should be arriving next week. I know I got 3 that should come on Monday. And they might even come tomorrow, but I know I got 3 already in the location that I'm in, or near the location that I'm in. So that's decent. But yeah, I spent about, on them last 2 jackets right there, as you can see, I spent like 130 something. And yeah, man, every time I make a flip or something, I go straight to DHgate and put them orders in, bro. Like, the way this shit about to be shipped is about to be back to back to back to back. Either that way, or the post office and shit is just gonna bundle all the shipments I got that's pretty much close as far as in time consumption. They just gonna bunch all that shit together and give me one big ass order, so it would have been like me ordering bulk anyway. But yeah, like tomorrow I think I gotta meet up for a Bape hoodie for like 120, and I'm about to take that 120 and go do the same shit. Another Canada Goose and another North Face puffer. And then when DHgate ship that shit out, when a vendor ship that shit out, they just be like, they put all that shit together. So if I got 3 orders that they haven't shipped out yet, they just gonna bunch it all together and either ship it as partial, if you feel me, they gave me the tracking number for one, or they gonna ship it all together. And yeah, that's how that shit been going. But once this shit touch down, I'm obviously gonna give y'all a review video. I believe the Canada Goose is touching down first, 3 of them, two larges and 1 extra large and black. The original video, I actually had a navy blue one. I knew the color was navy blue, but when I ordered it from DHgate originally from my vendor, I thought that they had just shipped me the wrong color. But I had actually chose blue, so that's why I came in blue and shit. But I've been ordering all black ones, and that's how that shit been, bro. So I'm gonna give y'all another review on that and just do like a slight unboxing. I don't know how well the unboxing gonna go, cause bro, all the Canada Gooses is already sold. So you feel me? I ain't gonna be able to unbox all 20 jackets together. I could probably bunch in clips from day to day and try to piece that shit together for an unboxing or something for y'all. But them shits, like, the day they come in, they sold. But like, I'm getting them shits going same day. I'm gonna make like 1,200. So that's that type of motion. That's how that shit gonna go. And then with the North Faces, I'm putting them at $250 a piece. You see, I got the best colorway, or one of the best colorways. And the other ones, it's like 2 more cause colorways that you could snag. That's really fire. You could flip for a lot. And then it's like some other fancy colorways and shit like that. But I ain't go with the plain black ones because you could cop the plain black one straight from North Face for like 330. Obviously, I would put it at like 200. But I just feel like this colorway would move more, even though it's white and people be like white will get dirty fast as far as the jacket in the wintertime and shit like that. But people just like, you feel me, just like it for the fashion aspect. So they'll pay 220, 250 for it. You feel me, over getting a black one. But yeah, I got 9 of them shits on the way, all size large. I'm only buying size large right now because that's the most popular size in the US in general for tops. So you feel me? I would recommend people just grab size larges. Obviously, mediums work good as well, but mediums would be for smaller people or in consideration younger people, quote unquote. And those people really ain't cash ready or they ain't mobile like that. So it would just be better for me to sell to grown folks. That's the same. It's like the same market search for me as far as selling cologne. I'm not finna sell Dior Sauvage or YSL or none of that elixir shit. I'm finna go straight to Baccarat Rouge and Tom Fords. Why? Because I'm selling to old people who willing to spend money on cologne, one, and especially at the prices that they listed at, and they mobile and they cash ready, like they not on bullshit. So, like I said, if you gonna fuck with certain markets, pay attention to the markets that you fucking with. You feel me? I know a lot of y'all trying to sell Spider and y'all sell AirPods, and that's good. Like a lot of y'all still in school and shit like that, so you can build them connections with the people around you. But then you gotta think, shit. At least when I was in school, you feel me? I was one of the people who was reselling shoes and clothes and shit like that already, so I had a little cash flow. But a lot of people who was trying to shop with me and shit, they wasn't really bread ready, you feel me? So I made my money off offer up. And a few people who was always bread ready, they would just buy off me and boat. So y'all gotta be prepared for that, you feel me? Other than that, that's another reason actually why I don't sell Spider. I probably could sell essentials easily because you got people that's like, you feel me? I'll give y'all 18, like out of high school, 18 to like 30 years old who still a rock essentials and think it's fly type shit. But yeah, other than that, I ain't really fucking with Spider. I might try out Denim Tears, but all that shit gonna come later, bro. Like right now we in the dead middle of the winter and I'm selling jackets because jackets are a necessity. Cause it get cold as fuck where I'm located at. So everybody copping a jacket, you feel me? I would rather have a jacket in the wintertime than in the summertime as far as trying to sell, right? And then and then it's vice versa for cologne. I would rather have cologne in the summertime. I mean, cologne sell all year round, but I just know that it would be, you feel me, more like desired. Like the market for it would grow like in the summertime. Why? Because people are sweaty. People take showers more consistently and shit like that. Like, you feel me? They always cleaning themselves, especially after workouts. Whoever plays sports, all that type of shit. So they want to smell good. They want to still stay fresh and shit. So they, you feel me, stay up to date on their hygiene and shit. And they buy colognes. So I know that should have moved like that. Anything, honestly, anything will move right now, bro. That's why quarter four is like the biggest money maker for resellers, bro, because everybody's spending money. And it's not just resellers, like we put in limitations on the markets, bro. Like Walgreens is reselling us products, Amazon is reselling us products, Walmart is reselling us products, like every store, bro, Target, all that shit, bro. They getting that shit from overseas, they buy it in bulk, and then they sell that shit to us. So y'all gotta think like resellers not the only ones getting money, like as far as quarter four, bro. You got Amazon making the bag, all e-commerce is making the bag. And I can't wait till I set up my Shopify site, bro, because I didn't seen like right now I keep telling y'all the problem is I really don't have I don't have any product on hand right now. But every time I wake up, like I woke up this morning with 2 different messages. Um and one person was willing to pay 340 for Canada Goose, and another person said 325. If I had that shit listed on the Shopify site and just had the direct link, you feel me? Then they could just order it straight from there, and I would have made about $700 today, this morning, without doing anything. You feel me? Now I gotta wait on the product. Then my product is already sold out, so I gotta wait on my product to come in and sell it. Go get more product, and then text them people back. You feel me? Hopefully, well, I know it'll still be time left as far as the winter time in the season to get that jacket going. But hopefully they don't find another jacket or find somebody else selling something similar that they could go spend money with. Because I still need those customers. As far as if I had a Shopify site, bro, that shit, like I said, I would have already made $700. in my sleep though. Like I would have woke up to 700 cash. You feel me? And then my vendor just shipped that shit straight out to him, and I'm solid, bro. So I can't wait until I get like my Shopify set up and shit like that. And yeah, I'm actually about to try to do that shit. I need to do it like right now, like as I'm speaking, cause it always be, that's how shit go wrong when people be like, I want to start, I want to do this, but they never put it in motion right away. Like, so I want to start that shit like right now, like tomorrow, but I don't really know how to perfect that craft. So I want to get in tune with people who know how to perfect that craft. I've been watching YouTube videos and shit like that. YouTube is a gold mine for everything in life, bro. Like YouTube is just the best platform. I don't watch TV. I don't do none of that. I strictly stay on YouTube, bro. It's a grind for real, but it's so many different videos, and them shit's been out since 2014 all the way to now. You feel me? Like the past 10 years on drop shipping and e-commerce. So it's a lot of shit to come across, a lot of shit to take in as far as information, but I know somebody could simplify this shit because I'm watching young people younger than me do this shit from their crib, you feel me? And they just sitting in school watching people, you feel me, watching their phone run up a bag for them, and they literally don't got to do nothing. Like, if I was in school right now, I would have to wait for the package to get to the crib, wait till I get out of school, wait for the package to get to the crib. You feel me? Go meet up with the person who's trying to buy the shit, then sell it just to make my money. As far as drop shipping, I ain't got to do none of that shit. I would have been in school and been able to sell however many products the vendor has, you feel me? I ain't got to have shit on hand. That's another thing. Like, until the vendors sell out of products, I'm good. You feel me? Like, I'm going to keep making money off that shit. And then once the vendor do sell out of products, I found a new link, right? And y'all know China plug, bro. Like, they're not running out of shit, bro. If you go on some of the vendor links for shit like AirPods Maxes, that shit be 9999999. Like, they got that shit in stock, bro. They ready. So that's why dropshipping is great. Obviously, it's people dropshipping straight from DHgate already on Shopify sites and e-commerce sites and shit like that. And it's people dropshipping from DHgate on DHgate. You feel me? So you might find a product on DHgate for $120, but they drop shipping that shit from somebody else on DHgate who's selling the exact same product, same quality, same everything, but they selling that shit for like 85. You feel me? So it's been motion like that going on too, and a lot of people don't know like about that shit. But yeah, like I said, I got products on the way and shit, so we about to keep that shit in motion, and we gonna forever be in motion after this drop. Like after all this shit come in and I get that shit sold, cause I'm gonna be spending bands, like real bands. I already spent $1,500 on products. You feel me? That's how I got 20 jackets and shit. But we gonna be spending like 3,500, 4,500, 5 bands. You feel me? And I'm gonna see a 6 band return. I got a projected 6 band return for this upcoming like 20 jackets and shit. So I'm gonna spend like 5 bands. I might spend like 57.50 and only keep 250 as far as for gas for meetups. You feel me? Cause I know I'm gonna make my money back, and the more that I spend, the quicker I make my shit back. You feel me? You don't gotta wait on shipping times and nothing like that. Cause I got product on hand. But yeah, that's how motion should be. Like I said, I got all them damn Canada Gooses is already sold. I haven't posted the North Faces yet, so that's gonna be a test run. The 2 Montclairs is already sold. And we finna put all that shit in motion, bro. But I can't wait till I can get into drop shipping, bro. That way I ain't gotta do nothing. I don't got a list on Facebook Marketplace, none of that. If I did, it would strictly just be me marketing or advertising for my e-commerce website. And that's how that shit would be. I'm also trying to, once I get my Shopify set up, I got a few people that I want to get in tune with as far as with marketing and shit, who could just do that shit for me. And I'll just give them a percentage of what I make from my e-commerce website. And that's like a stupid bag. So I'm keeping y'all like here with me. I know y'all be seeing them vlog style videos where it be young kids and shit, like people under 20 and shit, or just under like mid 20s maybe. And they be like, this how I made 30K this month, you feel me? And that should be based off either a clothing brand or e-commerce, which ties into the same shit 9 times out of 10. But yeah, it's clout for that's pretty much it for this video. It's your boy Clout. I'm really just trying to lock in and stay focused with this shit. I got a lot of inventory on the way, and that shit coming back to back to back to back. So I gotta make sure I got my sales lined up and I'm ready to go for when that shit get in. But I'm finna check out. Make sure y'all don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, turn on post notifications. I drop every day, but y'all can just tap in. Let's go.